Hello guys, my name is Sanjeev Reddy and welcome back to Statistical Academy. In today's video, we are going to talking about the most frequently asked questions. And the question that we are going to discuss is, how would you be practicing if you were to be a beginner using your YouTube channel? So let's get started. Guys, if you wanted to stay at the forefront of this cutting edge world of technological advancements, be sure to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you will receive exclusive updates and insights. Plus, you will be showing your support for our channel and helping us to continue to bring you the exceptional progressive career development content. So don't miss out and join our community today. First and foremost, it is important to have a plan in place. I recommend starting with the introduction videos, which will give you a foundation of the concepts you will be learning. When you open our channel, you will see the playlists. Please complete watching the introduction and purpose playlist first. Just a heads up, the initial videos may be of lower voice quality, but don't let that discourage you. Once you have finished with the introduction videos, it's time to move on to the how to register SAS OnDemand for academics video. This video will help you to set up your SAS account and get started on your programming journey. Now that you have got your account set up, it's time to dive into the programming videos. These videos will come with example datasets that you can download and practice with. Please watch one by one at your own pace. Here I would like to explain you with an example as well. We have discussed character functions in our class 7 video. I have used one example of substring function to extract the last character. Instead, assign yourself a task of extracting last 2 characters. Or try some other things. Challenge yourself with these kinds of tasks. And don't stop there. Keep exploring and seeking out more programming examples. This will give you the opportunity to put your newly acquired skills into practice and continue to develop your knowledge. I will also upload videos with assignments, notes, and solutions on the SAS assignments playlist for your convenience and reference. If you have any doubts or notice any mistakes in my videos, please reach out to me with your findings and questions. I will clarify the issues and create videos under a frequently asked questions playlist for better understanding. Join our learning and sharing initiative playlist if you have a topic that you would like to present. Make a video and send it to me. I will add it to the playlist Learning and Sharing Initiative. It will be fostering a collaborative and educational experience. Remember, consistency is key. Make sure to set aside time each day to work through the videos and practice your skills. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, happy learning.